Viagra is a drug for the treatment of erectile dysfunction, acts of the natural mechanisms of the erection. It is used in men suffering from erectile dysfunction of various origins, vascular, nervous disorders of erection. Indications: treatment of erectile dysfunction characterized by an inability to achieve or maintain an erection of the penis sufficient for satisfactory intercourse. Viagra is effective only in the presence of sexual stimulation. How to use: the drug is taken orally. For most patients, the recommended dose is 50 mg. The drug is taken if necessary approximately 1 hour before sexual activity. Based on efficacy and tolerability, the dose may be increased to 100 mg or reduced to 25 mg. The maximum recommended dose is 100 mg. The maximum recommended frequency of use in 1 time per day. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to any component of the drug, age up to 80 years, not intended for use in women. Special instructions: to diagnose erectile dysfunction, determine their possible causes and select adequate treatment. It is necessary to collect a complete medical history and conduct a thorough physical examination. Treatments for erectile dysfunction should be used with caution in patients with anatomical deformity of the penis, angulation, cavernous fibrosis, Peyronie's disease, or in patients with risk factors for developing priapism, sickle cell anemia, multiple myeloma, leukemia. Drugs intended for the treatment of erectile dysfunction should not be prescribed to men for whom sexual activity is undesirable. What happens when you miss another dose of Viagra? Because Viagra is used on an as-needed basis, you are unlikely to miss a dose, but you cannot take 2 doses at a time. What cannot be done while taking Viagra? When taking Viagra, it is worth remembering that you should not take it at the same time as alcoholic beverages, as this increases the frequency of side effects, which can be extremely dangerous for your health. Also, at the time of taking Viagra, you should avoid eating grapefruits and grapefruit juice, as this fruit significantly enhances the pharmacological effect of Viagra, which can lead to complicated side effects and even an overdose. If you are taking Viagra, you should not use other concomitant medication to treat impotence without first consulting your doctor. This can only harm, rather than have the expected effective result. What are the side effects of Viagra? Common side effects from using Viagra include dizziness, headache, clouding of consciousness, heartburn, nausea, indigestion, abnormal vision, blurred vision, change in color vision, runny nose and or nasal congestion, nosebleeds, sleep problems, insomnia, muscle pain, back pain.